Hi guys! How are you? Happy Monday! I'm not working, so andito ako sa bahay. And I decided mag-hello kami sa inyo kasi dito rin si Austin. Hi guys! Say hello to the friends. Ano nangyari sa nose mo? Sinaktan ka ba ni baby girl? Kasi girl. Kasi guys, yung isa namin pusa, yung short-haired na white. So platita yon. Nangangalmot yun. Palagi niyang kinakalmot si Quincy. So ang ginagawa ni Quincy, kinakalmot din siya. O nga pala guys, if for anything else, love na love ni Austin yan. Ang taba nito guys, oh. Pakita mo yung pose niya. Ikaw, Quincy, look at the guys. Oh guys, before anything else pala, I just want to say, pwede nating supportahan yung isa nating viewer, si Josephine for TV. If you could go and subscribe to her and like watch her videos. Kasi, rin siya, nag-rescue rin siya ng mga cats and dogs. And then so, we could watch her so she can help provide for her cats and dogs kung may time kayo. So anyways, ayan. And guys, hulaan nyo, what are we making for today? I just decided to share with you yung favorite ni Austin kasi I'm not working, so I'm making this right now para mamaya, ito yung dinner namin. May hula na kayo kung ano yung lulutuin ko? Guys, I'm making pork binagoongan, which is hard to find dito sa States kasi walang nagtitinda nito masyado. So if you really want to eat this, you have to make it yourself. So we have the pork belly cubes, we have the kamatis, onions, garlic, ginger, and we have the fried eggplants. Dalawang eggplants yan guys na malaki na Chinese na fried, and then the what is this? The Pinoy Fiesta, is that a sweet style? Bagoong. And then pepper and then water. So anyways guys, ituro ko sa inyo. Mabilis lang to pero ang sarap. Hi guys! So ayan, binabrown na ni Austin yung pork na nakita niya kanina. And then he's transferring it sa plate. Kasi para itong yung natirang oil, dito tayo magkikisa ng vegetables. Para sa ating pork binagoongan. And before I forget, I just wanted to say na dun sa mga rescuers who are watching me, na order ko na sa Lazada yung mga snackies na mga fur babies nyo. So, just wait for a few days and it's gonna be there. Tawag dito para meron silang mga merienda. Oh, nahulog. I hope magustuhan nila, guys. Ay na po, guys. Daldal ako ng daldal. Hindi ko pala na-press yung on button. Nakakainis na hindi niya, guys, nakita na nilagay na ni Austin yung onions and garlic. And, ayan, ngayon sinusote niya yung onions at garlic. Daldal ako ng daldal. Nagsasabi pa ako na ang bango-bango ng bahay namin. May onions and garlic. Tapos yung pala, hindi pala naka-on yung camera. Ayan. Pagkatapos nito, ipapawait ko lang ng konti para maging glassy siya. Tapos, sige, sunod mo na yung kamatis. Ayan. Guys, mas maraming kamatis, mas masarap. Alam niyo dito sa States, mahal talaga ang Filipino food. Alam niyo ba, the other day, nag-to-go lang kami ni Austin ng yung parang 2 items, tapos 2 rice. Alam niyo ba guys, magkano yung siniya sa amin? Almost, kung 80 pesos ko, siguro mga 1,700 pesos. Almost, na siya, $40. Ang mahal! Pero syempre, wala ka na rin choice kasi if you want to eat Filipino food, you really have to tawag dito, to buy it. Pero ang maganda na lang kasi, at least maghilig ako magluto. So, kung meron kaming gusto ni Austin na alam kong lutuin, ako na lang nagluluto. So, ayan guys, antayin natin na medyo lumambot, or in Ilonggo, madunot. Ayan guys, sahali na ni Austin yung pork sa vegetables natin and sinusote niya na. Ayan. Ang ganda guys, ang bango-bango ng bahay namin. Excited na si Austin kumain. And then I was like telling him, Austin, I'm teaching you how to do this. Pwede ka na magluto ng pork binagoongan. Alam ka na Austin, you have an idea na, no? O nga pala guys, I just want to say thank you very much for all the kind words na iniwan nyo sa comment section dun sa last vlog. Kasi na-mention ko na I won't be talagang vlogging even siguro once a month. I won't be doing that anymore kasi wala naman happenings dito, and the only reason that I was doing it is because I really enjoy engaging with all of you. At saka, you guys can tell naman, sinasagot ko yung mga messages nyo, di ba? Nag-enjoy talaga ako makipag-keep in touch sa inyo. At saka, ang tawag dito. And I'm also doing it for the cats and dogs. Whatever na, like tawag dito. Siguro, it took me 1 year. Almost 1 year to earn that $100. Kasi nga, di ba, hindi naman ako talaga nag-vlog. So, nakuha ko na siya. Hindi ko pa siya nakuha, pero last night, it was 90 cents. Tawa kami ng tawa ni Austin eh. Pero, even before pa yung dumating, nakapag-order na ako ng mga Lazada products para sa mga viewers natin na mga animal rescuers. So, I was only talagang vlogging so I could like dagdag yun, to help them out. I give all of the money kasi it's not that much naman eh. But anyways pala guys, I just wanted to show you. Tara! Galing sa puno namin, persimmon. Ang ganda, no? It's very perfect. Galing to sa tree namin sa labas. Ayan. So, after this, akong ginigisa siya ni Austin, ang gagawin natin. Ay, teka. I-ready ko na yung bagoong. Ayan guys, nilagay ko na yung bagoong. Siguro mga 1.5 tablespoon to. So, kung kulang, dalagdagan ko na lang. So, Austin, you can mix it. Ayan, i-mix na Austin yung bagoong. Yay! And then, i-add natin ng konting water. Ayan. Para lumambot yung meat, guys. Ayan. Mix ni Austin. Nakaka-hypnotize, no? Sige, Austin, mix ka pa. Sige pa. Ayan. Dagdagan pa natin yung water, guys. And then, i-cover natin siya. Para lumambot yung meat. Kasi yung cut na nakuha ko, hindi siya masyadong malambot. So, siguro mga 20 minutes to. So, we'll be back. Ayan guys, ano na siya, natagil na yung most of the water. Kaya mas sauce na siya. Ang sarap guys, kung maamoy niyo lang yung bahay namin. It smells like ginisang bagoong. O nga pala, before I forget, dinededicate ko, with dedication to, I'm dedicating this, vlog to, Noidal. Noidal, thank you very much for the kind words yesterday. It really made my day, honestly. And also to Tamkunanan, hello, dedicated din sa'yo to. To Ate Malu, and then to Nancy. Kasi ayaw ninyo na, wag ako mag-vlog. Wag ako mag-stop mag-vlog. So, thank you very much. I decided, let me go and do a content. Para I can keep in touch with all of you. So, dedicated sa inyo to. Ayan. So, we're almost done. And ilalagay na ni Austin yung fried eggplant na pinaray ko kanina. Alam niyo guys, ayaw ni Austin ng eggplant. Pero sa pork binagoongan, gusto niya yung eggplant. So anyways guys, diba madali lang? So kung nag-wonder kayo kung paano gumawa ng pork pinag-uungan, I hope this cooking tutorial helps you guys. And mapapa-extra rice ito si Austin, for heaven's sakes. Ayan. Ano mo siya, Austin, yung sauce over the eggplant. Ayan. Mapapa-extra rice si Austin ito mamaya. And again, mahirap kasi mahanap to dun sa mga to-go places ng mga Filipino restaurants dito. I don't know why they don't make it as much. Pero yung ginagawa nila palagi, parang yung binagoongan na may coconut milk. Pero itong ganitong dry, they don't make this as much. Parang ang dating nito guys, parang dry version ng pinakbet. Like for me kasi parang, naban yung bagoong at saka yung Jofran and Mang Tomas here. Hindi sila masyadong gumawa ng ganito. Pero anyways, i-zoom in natin. Ayan guys, so, ang sarap. I wish you guys just live close to me. I'd invite you to dinner. Mag-barbecue tayo ng liempo. Tapos kainin natin ito. So anyways, thank you again for watching. I really appreciate all of you. And then sa mga rescuers na mga na-message ko, yung mga delivery, siguro mga between like, within this week, antayin nyo na lang. And it's from Austin and I, at saka sa mga viewers, mga natin yan, mga gifts natin, dun sa mga fur babies ng mga, ng mga viewers natin. And again, thank you very much. And ano pa ba? And until next time, guys. Thank you. Austin, thank you kasi kanila. Narinig niyo sa ano? Guys, yun yung babay ni Austin. Ano ba yan? Thank you. God bless. And stay positive and, grateful and good. Life is short. Thank you again. Until next time. Bye.